choose organic poultry and livestock farming over synthetic? Relax and watch till the end. Number one is because of the numerous advantages. One is healthier animals, better quality products, environmental sustainability. It reduces the use of antibiotics. It also improves the welfare of your poultry and livestock animals. It lowers the use of chemicals and chemical residues. It improves their health. That's the health of the livestock animals. It's also sustainable. And at the same time, it yields consumer trust and interest. It also reduces environmental impacts. At the same time, enhances biodiversity. This is the kind of video we always like to watch. Please subscribe. You will not make meaningful profit if you are not an organic poultry farmer. In fact, I will strongly advise you to go organic after watching this video, because that is the only way you will enjoy poultry and livestock farming. Hello farmers, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this particular channel, I share practical knowledge on poultry and livestock farming. Today, we are diving into an essential topic: how to differentiate between organic and synthetic poultry and livestock farming. Let's go started. In today's video, I will explore the key differences between organic poultry and livestock farming and synthetic farming. We are discussing probiotic and synthetic. If you are a poultry farmer and you are still in synthetic poultry or livestock farming, you are not making enough profit. You won't know until you try organic. I will strongly advise you, if this is the first time I'm coming across this channel, please get subscribed now, activate the notification bell so that anytime I release an update on this particular topic, you will be among the first set of subscribers that will get notified by this our wonderful app. Please, there are a lot of advantages of organic or probiotic poultry and livestock farming against synthetic. Number one is healthier animals. Organic poultry and livestock farming focuses on natural feeds and supplements, resulting in healthier and more resilient animals. So if you're a poultry farmer and you want to have a free flow of your poultry and livestock operation, better go organic. Number two is better quality products. Organic poultry or organic livestock farming is often higher in nutrition. All the organic products often have higher nutritional value and better taste compared to synthetic poultry or livestock products. Yes, many farmers have been asking me, is it true that poultry birds reared in organic formats is tastier than the synthetic one? Yes, the answer is yes. Organic products are like these domestic village poultry birds. You know, they are very tastier than the synthetic ones. The next one is the number three, that is the environmental sustainability. Organic poultry practices are more environmentally friendly, reducing pollution and promoting biodiversity. Most of the wastes that are thrown into the bush or into some people's backyards are now converted into meaningful poultry feed, thereby reducing the accumulation of heaps and dumps in some environments, which causes environmental hazards. Number four is reduced antibiotics use. In organic poultry farming, you make use of natural plants and extracts. So organic farming minimizes the use of antibiotics and at the same time decreasing the risk of antibiotic resistance. Number 5 is improved animal welfare. Animals or poultry birds in organic farm generally have better living conditions, including more space and natural behaviors. Number 6 is low chemical residues. Organic products are free from harmful chemicals or residues, making them safer or safe for human consumption. If you are into synthetic, you may not know that some of the medications you give to your poultry or livestock animals lives in their body for more than 6 months. These synthetic medications enters into the muscle part of their flesh and stays there for more than 6 months, and you still consume both the meat and the same medication, which is not meant for human consumption. Number 7 is market demand. There is a growing market demand for organic products, which can lead to higher profits. Many users are looking for organic products. Many are running from synthetic products, most especially when it comes to fleshy animals. So if you are into organic, it is clear that your market demand is wider, and at the same time your profit margin will be higher. Number 8 is the health of the poultry and livestock animals. Organic farming improves the health of your poultry and livestock animals through organic fertilization, which boosts the growth and weight of your poultry, at the same time higher egg productivity in laying birds. Number 9 is sustainability. Organic practices promote long-term sustainability of the farming system or ecosystem. Number 10 is consumer trust. Many consumers buy organic products. Consumers tend to trust and prefer organic products due to their perceived health benefits. Number 11 is reduced environmental impacts. Organic farming or poultry or livestock uses fewer synthetic pesticides and fertilizers, which reduces the risk of health and bacterial contamination. Number 12 is it enhances biodiversity. Organic poultry farming promotes biodiversity by creating a balanced ecosystem that supports various animals and plant species that suits the environment and at the same time enhance coexistence of plants and humans. So, given these advantages, I highly recommend considering organic poultry and livestock farming. If you are a poultry farmer, please, after watching this video, test organic and see the difference. Not only does it contribute to healthy animals and products, but it also supports a more sustainable and environmentally friendly farming practices. If you have found this video very helpful, please give it a thumb up. Leave comments with your thoughts and subscribe to my channel for more farming tips. Please don't forget to share this video to reach more farmers who might benefit from this information. Thank you for watching. Remember, the choice between organic and synthetic farming can significantly impact your farm's health and productivity, and at the same time profitability. Until next time, I come with another interesting topic loading very soon. For now, say bye. Go organic.